Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to do 4 really quick and easy hairstyles that are perfect for the Christmas holidays. We're going to start off with an easy low bun hairstyle. All we're going to do is take the hair from above the ear on one side and just secure it into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. So just take the hair from above the ear on the right hand side of the head and secure this using a clear elastic band. Then repeat on the opposite side. Make sure you loosen up the hair around the crown so it gives it a nice soft look. Next, make a hole just above that elastic and slip your fingers through and pull the opposite side ponytail through this hole, and repeat on the other side. So make a hole and pull the opposite ponytail through. Next, divide the remaining hair in half and pop each one of these halves into a clear elastic band so you've got 2 more ponytails. Just like we did on those top ponytails, we're going to do exactly the same on these bottom ones. So just make a hole above the elastic band on the right hand side, slip your fingers through and pass that left hand ponytail through the hole, and then repeat on the other side. Take those 2 tail ends and join them together to make 1 ponytail at the nape of the neck. To help hide the elastic bands, we're going to slip a bobby pin in on the left hand side and completely turn it over to the right hand side, and this helps the hair cover that elastic band so you can't see it anymore. Take that bottom loop, spread it out with your fingers and just pin it under that top loop with a couple of bobby pins. Next, take those tail ends from the ponytail at the nape of the neck and give them a quick spray. If your model's got layers like mine has, just pop in another clear elastic band to help things hold together better. And all we're going to do is just twist that elastic band under the hair itself and hide it under the loop above, so you're making lots of little twists and turns, and then just bobby pin to the head. Finish everything off with a little bit of hairspray to help with any flyaway hairs, and to make sure everything's secure, just add a few bobby pins where needed. To help disguise the parting at the top of the head, just open a bobby pin and catch a bit of hair on either side and just push this into the updo. And that's the first hairstyle all complete. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. For hairstyle number 2, we're moving on to an easy braided updo. We're going to start by taking a small slice of hair from both sides of the head and then bringing these around to the back of the head but over to the right hand side and securing them with a clear elastic band. Next, I'm going to take a topsy tail tool and I'm just going to pop this behind that section on the left hand side, and I'm just going to take a 1-inch section of hair that's hanging down and we're going to bring it behind the handle of the topsy tail tool, up and through the middle of the loop, and then you just pull the ends all the way through. I pop the topsy tail tool behind that left hand section. This time I'm going to take a new section but also incorporate the tail ends of the first section, and again we're going to bring it behind the handle of the topsy tail tool, and then bring that up and through the middle of the loop and pull it all the way through. And I'm just going to show you one more time before I speed this up. So pop the topsy tail tool behind that left hand section, take your previous tail ends plus a new 1-inch section of hair, and we're going to pass all of those behind the handle of the topsy tail tool and up and through the middle of the loop, and then just pull those tail ends all the way through. And basically we're just going to repeat this pattern until we get to that small elastic band on the right hand side. Once you've reached that elastic band, we're going to gather all that hair that's hanging down together and we're going to split it into 3 equal sections, and we're simply going to do a 3-strand braid all the way to the end of the hair and then tie it off with another clear elastic band. Now take some texture spray, again I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and we're going to spray that all over the top of the head and down that braid. Pinch and pull at the hair at the crown to give it some volume. And then we're just going to pinch and pull on the edge of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Okay, take hold of that braid and then just flip it over the top of that style we've already done and secure it on the right hand side with a bobby pin. Wrap the ends of the braid around your finger and then just pin it to the head with a few more bobby pins. Add a couple of bobby pins through the length of that braid to keep it secure, and then just fluff out the edges until you're happy with the look. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. For hairstyle number 3, we've got a really easy low chignon. To start, I've left some pieces of hair out to frame the face. Now all we're going to do is divide the hair from ear to ear and smooth this to the back of the head and secure it with a clear elastic band. Add some texture spray to the crown of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then gently pinch and pull at the hair to give it a bit of texture. Now I'm going to add some texture powder to that little ponytail, and I'm gently going to back comb the top side of the ponytail. Now taking the ends of that ponytail, wrap them round your finger and then just keep rolling the hair up until it meets the head. And then just secure it at the top and the bottom with a few bobby pins. Divide the remaining hair in half, and starting on that right hand side we're going to smooth out the hair and bring it up and over the top of that little bun section, and we're just going to twist the ends towards the head and then just pin this to the left hand side of that little bun. Take your tail ends and just tuck them under towards that bun section and pin them with a few more bobby pins. And then we're just going to repeat this on the opposite side, so take all the hair that's remaining, smooth it out and bring it up and over that bun section, twisting the ends as you go. Bring it over to the right hand side and secure with a bobby pin or two. Now to hide those tail ends, I'm just going to wrap them around my fingers and make a small hole in the chignon, and I'm just going to tuck those ends inside and secure it down with a bobby pin. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Now moving on to the 4th and last hairstyle, we've got another quick and easy twisted low bun hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. Okay, so we're just going to take all the hair from the ear forwards on both sides, and we're going to bring these around to the back of the head and tie them together with a clear elastic band. Pop your fingers behind this elastic band, pass the tail up and pull it through so you create a twist. Apply some texture spray over the head and twists. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. and then loosen everything up by gently pinching and pulling. Next, we're going to split the remaining hair in half, and we're just going to start on that right hand side and secure it into a low ponytail. Then just repeat this on the left hand side. So you should be left with 2 ponytails. We're going to add another couple of elastic bands to these ponytails, about 4 inches down from the top. Now, taking hold of that left ponytail, we're going to grab hold of the elastic band, bring it over to the right hand side whilst twisting it towards the head, and then secure it to the head with a bobby pin or 2. And then take that right hand ponytail, twist that elastic band towards the head, and secure it with a few more bobby pins. Now we're just going to add another clear elastic band about 1 inch from the bottom on both of those ponytails, and taking the left hand band, we're going to bring it again over to the right hand side, tuck that elastic band under and secure to the head. And then just repeat this on the right hand ponytail. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the description box which one was your favourite.